Hello friends, welcome back to tootscorner.com videos. How to remove lectins from bell peppers. Lectins, which are naturally occurring proteins found in various foods including bell peppers, are typically not a source of concern for most individuals. However, if you have specific dietary preferences or wish to minimize lectin levels in bell peppers, you can follow these steps. 1. Peel and prepare. An effective approach to reduce lectin content in bell peppers involves peeling and cooking them. Lectins are primarily concentrated in the skin and seeds, so eliminate the outer skin can substantially decrease lectin levels. Here is a detailed method. Wash the bell peppers, cut off the top and remove the seeds and the white membrane from the interior. Use a knife or a vegetable peeler to delicately remove the outer skin of the peppers. Following peeling, you can prepare the peppers through various methods such as roasting, grilling, or salting. Cooking at higher temperatures can further reduce lectin content. 2. Thorough cooking. Cooking bell peppers at elevated temperatures can aid in breaking down lectins. Roasting or grilling the peeled peppers is a highly effective method. Ensure that the peppers are cooked until they achieve complete tenderness and develop a slightly charred appearance. 3. Seed removal consideration. For an additional reduction in lectin levels, you can opt to remove the seeds from the peppers after peeling but prior to cooking. The seeds and membranes within the peppers generally contain higher lectin concentrations. 4. Blanch and peel. Another technique involves briefly blanching the whole bell pepper in boiling water for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. This process can facilitate the removal of the skin, making it easier to peel. Following blanching, you can peel the peppers and subsequently prepare them as desired. When you use these methods to lower lectin levels in bell peppers, they might change how the peppers taste, feel, and look. Also, for most people, having some lectins in their diet is safe and can be part of a healthy diet. But if you have special worries about lectins or specific foods you like, it's a good idea to talk to a doctor or a diet expert for personalized advice on what to eat. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.